Spravato, esketamine, detailed explanation. Number 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name esketamine is the active pharmaceutical ingredient. It is chemically related to ketamine, but is specifically the S enantiomer, mirror image form of ketamine, which has stronger antidepressant activity. Brand name. The marketed brand is Spravato. Manufactured by Johnson & Johnson subsidiary Janssen Pharmaceuticals. Drug class esketamine belongs to 1. NMDA receptor antagonist, 2. Rapid-acting antidepressant, 3. Dissociative anesthetic derivative. Unlike SSRIs and SNRIs, it works through the glutamate system rather than serotonin alone. Drug forms available as intranasal spray device. Each device contains 28 milligrams, single-use nasal spray system. The medicine is not swallowed, not injected by patients, administered only under medical supervision. Definition. Esketamine is a prescription antidepressant medication approved for adults with treatment-resistant depression, TRD, major depressive disorder with suicidal thoughts or actions. It is unique because it acts rapidly. It can improve symptoms within hours or days. Traditional antidepressants usually take weeks. It is always used, along with an oral antidepressant, under supervision in certified healthcare centers. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Traditional antidepressants mainly increase serotonin or norepinephrine. Esketamine works differently. NMDA receptor blockade. Esketamine blocks the NMDA receptor in the brain. Esketamine right NMDA receptor antagonism, right arrow increased glutamate transmission. This causes increased glutamate release, stimulation of AMPA receptors, formation of new synaptic connections. Neuroplasticity. Depression is associated with loss of neuronal connections, reduced brain plasticity. Esketamine helps restore synaptic strength, neural communication, mood regulation pathways. Rapid antidepressant effect. Because of glutamate modulation, improvement may occur within 24 hours, helpful in suicidal crises. This rapid action is one reason esketamine is considered revolutionary in psychiatry. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics describes what the body does to the drug. Absorption. Administered intranasally, absorbed quickly through nasal mucosa, avoids some first-pass metabolism. Peak blood levels occur in about 20 to 40 minutes. And distribution. Rapidly distributed to the brain. Protein binding approximately 43%. This allows quick central nervous system effects. Metabolism. Esketamine is metabolized in the liver by CYP2B6, CYP3A4 enzymes. Patients with severe liver disease may experience slower clearance, increased side effects. Elimination half-life, T1/2, approx 7 to 12 hours. Excreted mainly through urine, some through feces. Number 5, esketamine is mainly used in severe depressive illnesses. Treatment-resistant depression. TRD means failure of at least 2 antidepressants. Adequate dose and duration were tried. Esketamine is valuable because many TRD patients respond poorly to conventional therapy. It offers another mechanism of treatment. Depression with suicidal thoughts. It may rapidly reduce suicidal thinking, emotional distress, severe depressive symptoms. It does not replace emergency psychiatric care, but can provide rapid symptom relief. Number 6. Indications. Indications are official approved uses. FDA-approved indications. A. Treatment-resistant depression, used with oral antidepressants in adults. Criteria. At least 2 failed antidepressant trials. B. Major depressive disorder with acute suicidal ideation, used for psychiatric emergencies, rapid stabilization. However, long-term suicide prevention still requires ongoing psychiatric treatment. Number 7. Contraindications. Contraindications are situations where the drug should not be used. Cardiovascular conditions. Esketamine increases blood pressure temporarily. Avoid in aneurysms, arteriovenous malformations, intracerebral hemorrhage history, because elevated blood pressure may cause stroke, bleeding, vascular rupture. Allergy. Avoid if allergic to esketamine, ketamine. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Precautions help reduce risks. Blood pressure monitoring. Blood pressure rises may occur within 40 minutes after administration. Monitoring is essential before and after dosing. Psychiatric precautions. Use carefully in psychosis, mania, bipolar disorder. Esketamine may worsen hallucinations, dissociation, psychotic symptoms. Substance abuse risk. Because ketamine-like drugs may cause euphoria, risk of misuse exists, controlled dispensing is required. Pregnancy. Potential fetal risks are not fully known, usually avoided unless benefits outweigh risks. Number 9. How to use esketamine is not self-administered at home. Administration procedure. Before treatment, avoid food for 2 hours, liquids for 30 minutes. Blow nose before spraying. During administration, patient 1. Inserts spray into nostril. 2. Activates device. 3. Repeats in opposite nostril. Healthcare staff supervise the process. After administration, observation period, minimum 2 hours. Monitoring includes blood pressure, sedation, mental status. Patients must arrange transportation home. Dosing information. Dose depends on condition treated, response, tolerability. Treatment-resistant depression. Induction phase. Weeks 1 to 4, 56 or 84 milligrams twice weekly. Maintenance phase. Weeks 5 to 8, once weekly. Later, every 1 to 2 weeks. Goal. Lowest effective frequency. Elderly patients. Starting dose often, 56 milligrams, because elderly patients may have greater sensitivity, increased sedation risk. Number 11, missed dose, overdose. Missed dose. If a session is missed, contact treatment center, resume supervised dosing schedule. Do not take extra doses, self-medicate. Overdose symptoms: extreme sedation, dissociation, respiratory depression, severe hypertension, loss of consciousness. Management: supportive care, airway monitoring, emergency treatment. No specific antidote exists. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Avoid alcohol. Alcohol increases sedation, dizziness, impaired judgment. Avoid driving. Do not drive, operate machinery, make important decisions until the next day after restful sleep. Do not abruptly stop. Stopping suddenly may cause return of depressive symptoms, mood worsening. Treatment changes should be supervised. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects: dissociation. Patients may feel detached from surroundings, dreamlike, altered perception, usually temporary. Sedation. Patients may become sleepy, drowsy, less alert, blood pressure increase. Temporary elevations are common, may cause headache, palpitations, chest discomfort. Nausea and vomiting, common after dosing. Eating restrictions reduce this risk. Serious side effects. Suicidal thoughts. Young adults especially require close monitoring. Respiratory depression risk higher with opioids, sedatives. Severe hypertension may require urgent treatment. Number 14, vital information. Important safety information includes REMS program. Esketamine is available only through risk evaluation and mitigation strategy, purpose, prevent misuse, ensure monitoring. Clinic-only administration cannot be purchased for home use. Only certified clinics, pharmacies may dispense it. Observation requirement, mandatory monitoring for sedation, blood pressure, mental changes. Now 15, other drugs will affect esketamine. Drug interactions can increase adverse effects. CNS depressants, examples, diazepam, lorazepam, opioids effects, increased sedation, respiratory depression. Stimulants, examples, amphetamines may worsen blood pressure elevation. MAO inhibitors can further increase blood pressure. Careful monitoring required. Number 16, drug comparison feature esketamine, ketamine, SSRIs. Main action, NMDA blockade. NMDA blockade, serotonin onset hours, weeks. Route, nasal IVIM, oral FDA approved for TRD. Yes, no, some monitoring required. Minimal, comparison with ketamine, esketamine, more regulated. Nasal formulation, specifically approved for depression. Ketamine, used off-label, often IV infusion, higher abuse potential. Number 17, patient teaching. Patients should understand both benefits and risks. Safety instructions. Teach patients to arrange transportation home, avoid alcohol, avoid sedatives unless approved. Monitoring. Patients should report chest pain, severe headache, breathing difficulty, suicidal thoughts. Expectations. Patients should know some side effects are temporary. Dissociation usually resolves within hours. Improvement may occur rapidly. Oral antidepressants should continue unless advised otherwise. Summary. Spravato is a rapid-acting antidepressant used mainly for treatment-resistant depression, depression with suicidal ideation. Key points. Works through NMDA receptor blockade. Administered as supervised nasal spray. requires REMS monitoring, produces rapid symptom improvement, has important cardiovascular and psychiatric precautions. Thank you. Have a nice day.